Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I'm responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another wig unboxing video. This is for the Janet collection, so thank you so much to Janet collection for sending this unit over to me to review. This is the Kaja unit. I got this in a jet black one. That is my color preference. I'll make sure that I have all of the information down in the description box below. Just to give you guys some background information about this unit, this is a blowout texture unit. It's some good kinky straight textured hair. This unit is created with special knotting at the nape of the neck. This unit is 100% hand tied onto a deep parting lace, as you guys can see. This has ear-to-ear soft Swiss lace, and it is made of a heat-resistant fiber, so if you guys wanted to put a curl in it, flat iron it, you can definitely do that without worrying about melting the unit. And again, this is kinky straight hair, so it definitely emulates that of blow-dried 4-type hair. And more specifically, this unit is heat-safe up to 360 degrees. Getting into the cap construction for this unit, you guys can see that there are 2 combs directly surrounding the parting space, and it is a middle part or an eye part. There's a comb at the back as well as adjustable straps on both sides. I'm going to go style this unit to my satisfaction, and then I'll come back to you guys at the very end with all my questions, comments, and concerns. Alright you guys, so I'm back with the finished styling. As always, I went in on the parting space with my Ulta Contour Kit using the Bombshell Bronzer, and that is as close to flesh tone powder as I get on my units. Initially, I thought that this unit has a lot of volume, and even still it has a lot of volume. This looks like natural hair that has only been blow dried. It's very big hair. I would say if you want to tone down some of the puffiness, then you can go over it with a blow dryer and a comb and just kind of do that chase method to get it a little more straight, and that way it might not be as overwhelming to you. The reason why I say blow dryer rather than a flat iron is because a flat iron doesn't really keep the integrity of the kinky straight unit. One thing I will say is that any kind of curl that this unit did come with, once you brush it out, it kind of goes away. Just to get closer so that you guys can see what the texture looks like on this unit. Again, it looks like you just passed the blow dryer over it once. This unit has a nice healthy luster to it, so I definitely don't think that you would need to go in with any type of cornstarch, baby powder, or dry shampoo to tone it down and make it look more realistic. In terms of length, this is where this unit comes to, and my belly button is right here. I am 5'9". I will say I don't really like the ends too much. They do emulate natural ends, but they do kind of look ratty. If you guys have ever had a synthetic unit, you know what the ends start to look like after about 1 to 2 weeks of consistently wearing a unit. So I feel like it already kind of looks ratty fresh out of the package. I feel like in an attempt to make this look more realistic, it's a little too realistic, and I don't want to cut it even more because I feel like that's going to give it too harsh, too blunt of a look, and it's going to make it super thick. Honestly, you can never go wrong with a kinky straight unit, especially if you are a natural haired girl who doesn't want to put heat on your hair. It's a good day-to-day unit, and it gives you that fix of straight hair without having to commit to it or commit to the heat damage that might come with flat ironing your own hair. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much to Janet Collection for sending this unit over to me to review. If you guys want to purchase this unit, I'll make sure that I leave a link down below in the description box, as well as all the specifics about this unit. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.